This video is going to introduce you how to use launch CRP 129i. It is also suitable for whole series. First, we open the package. On the top, there are the device 129, OBD diagnostic cable and USB cable. Take out the interlayer. There's a black bag and user manual at the bottom. We suggest you to read the user manual before using the device. On top of the device, there is USB charging port on the left and the power button on the right. Power on the device. Select Start. Select Language. Select country or region. Connect Wi-Fi. Input shop information, or you can skip this option. Tap to agree the service agreement. Enter the main screen. First, we need to select Upgrade and select Update to download all the vehicle and function software. When the app is downloaded, you need to install it manually. Select Install. Wait until the installation is complete. Enter the main screen. Take out the OBD diagnostic cable. Plug one side into the vehicle OBD socket. And plug another side into the OBD port on top of the device. As you can see, the device will automatically identify the vehicle VIN, show you the vehicle model and year, and then automatically scan the vehicles for systems and trouble codes. One click to generate diagnostic report. Select Enter to enter the system, and you can read the data stream. Select the data and tap Graph. Not all vehicle VIN can be automatically identified, as shown in the picture. You need to select Diagnose and select vehicle model and year manually. Jaguar XJ 2013, for example. Select Health Report. The device will scan for systems and codes. Return to main screen, select Reset. And you can do the reset functions. Select Battery Voltage. You can check the battery voltage. Select Data. You can check the reports and diagnostic fault feedback. Select Setting. There are options like language change and Wi-Fi connection. Select More. There's software that you can buy separately, like reset functions, as well as additional vehicle brands.